welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be cooking Ginataang Gulay. Before we start cooking, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Barbz Kitchen, and click the bell icon for future videos. And our ingredients for Ginataang Gulay, we have here gabi, yellow squash, string beans, eggplant, okra, green chilies, lemongrass, and ginger. Malunggay, freshly grated coconut milk, our seasonings, salt, and black pepper. We just have to put everything, all the vegetables, into our pot. Our squash. Oh, not really all, guys. We have to start with the hard to soften vegetables first. This. Just a little bit of water. Just to soften. And put in our ginger, lemongrass, green chilies. Cover. You wait for it to boil and then put in the rest of the ingredients. Okay, let's put in our string beans and our eggplant, okra, add a bit of water, just a bit because we still have to put in our coconut milk. Cover again to soften everything. Let's check. Okay, so all vegetables are already soft. Let's put in our coconut milk. And our seasonings, our salt, and our black pepper. Wait for this to boil, just first boil, and then put in our malunggay leaves. Just press it down. Okay, that's it, guys. Turn the fire off and we're done. Alright, guys, so this is our finished product of our Ginataang Gulay. This is another simple, quick, cost-efficient recipe. See you again in our next sumptuous recipes only here at Barbz Kitchen. Before we go, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Barbz Kitchen, and click the bell icon for future videos. Bye!